Today we are taking a look at the Maono Wave T5. In this box is an AI wireless lavalier microphone kit. They have amazing audio quality with a top level of 120 decibel max SPL and a top level 80 decibel SNR with a 48 kilohertz 24-bit resolution. Today we are going to be getting these open, take a closer look at them and test out some features. The first thing I love about these is what you're actually buying. This is a lavalier microphone set. So not only are you getting the lavalier microphone, but you're actually getting two microphones, a compact charger, and 3 different receivers. One is designed to connect to the camera, and then the other 2 are actually designed to connect to your iOS and Android phones. Meaning you can directly record high quality audio anywhere you go in a nice compact way. Now some other features include 3 modes of denoise and 14 levels of precision adjustment, 4 types of voice filters which include vocal bright, warm and magnetic. They also support up to 30 hours of usage time, click to mute and hold top to shoot. But something I love about these is the flexibility with how they can be worn. There's the magnetic options to attach it to your shirt. You can use the clip to clip it to something like your hat, or wear them around your neck with the necklace. Next up, let's test out these features. So first of all, I'm going to unplug my microphone and we're going to hear the sound difference. Okay, so firstly, this is the microphone coming out of my camera. I'm using a Sony ZV-E10, which is known to have an okay audio for a built-in microphone for a camera. But now if I connect the receiver to the camera, you can instantly hear the difference in the sound quality. And with these being wireless option, it means that I can actually step up to 300 meters away from the camera and still record this audio. So next up, let's connect it to the phone and we're going to turn on the AI noise reduction and yeah, hopefully we can see how that sounds. So hopefully with me turning this on, once again, you should be able to hear the difference. And this is going to be, well, perfect because it's connected to the actual receiver and you've got the lavalier microphone. So hopefully you should be able to hear the difference again with me connecting it to the phone. Now I'm going to turn on that noise cancellation. So hopefully with me turning this on, once again, you should be able to hear the difference. Yeah, and this is going to be perfect for when you're trying to film outside and you try to capture that audio if you're in public and there's loud noises or wind and you just need to block outside that background noise. That's what this feature is perfect for. So if you are interested in the Maono Wave T5 AI wireless lavalier microphone, we are going to leave a link below. Please share this with a friend, hit that like button and comment below what your favorite feature was, and of course hit subscribe for more great reviews like this.